Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you'll be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 7, and its title is Climate Change. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5, we will learn about under the title of listening and speaking, how we can get our leave taking. We will learn about that on page number 55, my dear students. Before in English for grade 3, already we have learned in our oral communication skill how we can exchange our routine greeting words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, my dear students. So our today's student learning outcomes are demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to take leave. So today we will get that about how we can take leave from where we are moving or going anywhere. Okay. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, my dear students and my dear teachers, Surah An-Nisa, verse number 86. When you are greeted with a salutation, then return it with a better one, or at least the same. Surely Allah takes good count of everything. So, my dear students, as you can see that through this verse we can get that Allah Almighty is also saying us, addressing to us that how we have to greet with each other. When we are greeting with each other, so we have to greet it with a salutation, means we have to pay salam to each other. As a Muslim, it's our duty that we have to pay salam. And when someone is meeting us, so we have to also in return, we have to exchange words in a better way. Okay. If you can't get in a better way, so at least we can return as the same. Okay. So my dear students, when we are greeting with each other, so it is also Allah Almighty is also pleasing with us so much, and also we can get countless blessings of Almighty Allah. Okay. So this is the best verse that also related with our today's lecture. Okay. So what we have to do, my dear students and my dear teachers, first what you have to do, what you are going to do. Yes, my dear teachers, you have to divide students in pairs. 2 students you will get. What you will tell students to practice leave taking with their partners, and say to students that they are moving from that place, so how they will discuss with each other that thing. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. So welcome back. I hope you have got it. Now let's see how we can take leave taking. So first thing is greeting. Greeting is a salutation upon meeting someone or an expression of good wishes. In other words, to greet someone or to extend a polite word of welcome. So my dear students, as you know that whenever you are going anywhere in your family, it's simple example when you are getting your school in your class. So definitely you are meeting to your friends, your class fellows, classmates, you are meeting, and you are meeting to your teacher also. So how you are meeting? Definitely you are wishing greeting words like Assalamu alaikum, good morning. In this way we are greeting to each other. So such type of words are called greeting. Whenever we are greeting to another, so we must have a smile on our face, my dear students. So it gives a good impact. Okay. So see there how we can meet. Like we are wishing that Assalamu alaikum, how do you do? How about your health? What's going on? So such type of sentences we are speaking, we are asking for each other that how about you? How are you doing? How was your day? It depends on the situation. Okay. You can put questions while greeting each other. So these are for examples, my dear students. Okay. Next, what is leave taking? Leave taking or parting usually used if we part with someone. Okay. When we part with someone, my dear students, when we are meeting each other, suppose you are at school, so after school timing, when your school will be closed, so definitely you have to get leave take and you have to get off, you have to move to your home. So how you will move to your home and how you definitely what we are saying, we are also using some greeting words while leave taking. So which type of words these are? So see there. Okay, like you can say that, what is this? Goodbye mom. So see there, she is going to school in the morning. So in the morning when you are coming to school, what you're saying, definitely you're saying goodbye, you're leaving your home. So this is called leave taking. So while leave taking, you are also using some greeting words. So which greeting words are there? Leave taking words are there, like goodbye, see there. Okay, in this way. And next one, wow, I'll talk to you later. Now they are also greeting and they are moving. Friends are there and they are going now, they are leaving that place. So what they are saying, that I'll talk to you later. Okay, these are the polite words that we can use as an expressions when we are leaving the place, when we are leaving each other at any spot. Okay, next one, wow, I have enjoyed talking with you. This is also expression, my dear students, that we can use while leaving a place. That, like we can say, nice to meet you, I'm very glad that I have met you, I have spent time with you. So in this way we should express our leave taking also in a good way, in a polite way. Okay, see there, let's hope we meet again. Okay, so this is also an expression that we can use. This is also a good expression. It shows that we love to meet you, and also I hope we will meet again. Okay, have you got that? So let's move towards an activity. You will perform an amazing activity in your class. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? You have to write few words on the board related greetings and leave takings. Okay, you should write few words, leave taking and greeting words on the board. So next, what student will do, my dear teacher? Students will work in pairs and they will introduce themselves in the shape of a dialogue. Call each pair in front of class and they will start and end their conversation by using words given on the board. So students will use these words, these you have written on the board, and call them in the shape of pairs. Then they will have to discuss all these words with each other. Okay, pause the video and enjoy this activity in your class. Welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed and you have done it with a nice way. And now you know that, because already this is our routine work, that we are greeting and also we are getting leave taking. Okay, so good job. So see there, that are also I have given you few things. Okay, until next time, then these are also leave taking expressions that we can use, like be seeing you, have a nice day, all right, see you, give my regards to your parents, take care of yourself. Okay, in this way we can also use that also we can pay our regards to our parents, to their parents, with our friends when we are talking. These expressions can be used, my dear students, while getting leave taking. Okay, so what's your homework for today? For homework, students will write 10 greetings and leave taking statements in notebook. Okay, you will observe at home, when you are getting home, when you are leaving home, so which type of words you are using. So keep remember, refresh your knowledge, and then you will have to write these 10 sentences as a greeting and 10 sentences as a leave taking. This is your homework. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should give it to students and then see that how they can identify greeting words and leave taking words. There are there how they can be socialized with each other. So what we have learned today? Today we have covered about dynamics of greetings and leave taking. So my dear students, in this way we have covered up our this SLO nicely. We got that how we can greet and how we can leave taking words we can use in our daily routine. Okay, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed and you have got that how we can discuss and how we can greet to each other and how we can get off from the place, that place we are living. Okay, so tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.